The world of cryptocurrency is no stranger to innovation. New projects emerge constantly, each promising to revolutionize the financial landscape. PiNetwork, however, stands apart. With a focus on accessibility and inclusivity, PiNetwork has garnered significant attention since its inception. The recent launch of its mainnet marks a pivotal moment in its journey, signifying its readiness to enter the global stage. PiNetwork's vision is ambitious, to create a cryptocurrency accessible to everyone. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that often require technical expertise and significant investment, PiNetwork allows users to mine Pi coins using their smartphones. This innovative approach has attracted millions of users worldwide, creating a vibrant and active community. The mainnet launch signifies the culmination of years of development and community building. It represents a significant step towards realizing PiNetwork's vision of a more inclusive and decentralized financial future. With the mainnet now live, the focus shifts to ensuring the network's security, compliance, and scalability, crucial factors for its long-term success. PiNetwork is entering a new era, one where its potential can be fully realized. As the network matures, its commitment to these core principles will be paramount in determining its place in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. The journey has just begun, and the future looks bright for PiNetwork. In the world of finance, trust is paramount. This is especially true in the realm of cryptocurrency, where decentralization and anonymity often raise concerns about security and regulatory compliance. PiNetwork recognizes the importance of establishing trust, and has implemented robust Know Your Customer, or KYC procedures, to ensure the integrity of its network. KYC is a standard practice in the financial industry, requiring institutions to verify the identities of their customers. This process helps prevent fraud, money laundering, and other illicit activities. By implementing KYC, PiNetwork demonstrates its commitment to operating within regulatory frameworks and fostering a secure environment for its users. PiNetwork's KYC process is designed to be user-friendly while maintaining a high level of security. Users are required to submit government-issued identification and undergo a liveness check to verify their identity. This information is handled with the utmost confidentiality and is used solely for verification purposes. By embracing KYC, PiNetwork establishes itself as a responsible and trustworthy player in the cryptocurrency space. This commitment to compliance is crucial for attracting institutional investors, building partnerships, and ensuring the long-term sustainability of the network. User experience is paramount in the world of technology. A complex or cumbersome process can deter even the most enthusiastic users. PiNetwork understands this and has made user experience a top priority, evident in its simple and intuitive wallet activation process. Activating your Pi wallet is remarkably straightforward, requiring minimal effort from the user. With just a few taps on their smartphone, users can create a secure wallet and begin interacting with the PiNetwork. This ease of use is crucial for attracting a wider audience, particularly those who may be new to cryptocurrency. The simplicity of wallet activation extends beyond just convenience. It also promotes inclusivity. By removing technical barriers, PiNetwork ensures that anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, can participate in the network and experience the benefits of cryptocurrency. The user-friendly wallet activation process is a testament to PiNetwork's commitment to accessibility and user experience. This approach has been instrumental in its rapid growth and will continue to be a key factor in its journey towards mainstream adoption. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is key. People expect processes to be quick, seamless, and hassle-free. PiNetwork understands this demand and has partnered with Banxa, a leading fiat-to-crypto on-ramp provider, to streamline its KYC process and enhance user experience. Banxa specializes in providing secure and compliant KYC solutions for businesses operating in the cryptocurrency space. Through this partnership, PiNetwork leverages Banxa's expertise and technology to offer users a faster and more efficient KYC experience. This integration allows users to complete their verification swiftly and securely, reducing the time it takes to start using the PiNetwork. Banxa's robust KYC system employs advanced identity verification techniques and automated processes to ensure accuracy and speed. This integration not only benefits users by reducing waiting times, but also enhances the overall security of the PiNetwork by providing an additional layer of protection against fraudulent activities. By integrating Banxa's KYC solution, PiNetwork demonstrates its commitment to providing a seamless and user-friendly experience. This partnership highlights the network's dedication to innovation and its pursuit of the most efficient solutions for its users. For any cryptocurrency to achieve mainstream adoption, it really needs to handle a large volume of transactions quickly and efficiently. Scalability and speed are, without a doubt, essential for a cryptocurrency to be viable for everyday use. PiNetwork recognizes this and has designed its infrastructure with scalability and speed in mind. The underlying technology of PiNetwork is built to handle a growing number of users and transactions without compromising speed or performance. This is achieved through a combination of innovative consensus mechanisms and efficient network architecture. As more users join the PiNetwork and the number of transactions increases, the network is designed to adapt and maintain its performance. The focus on speed is evident in the fast transaction times on the PiNetwork. Users can send and receive Pi coins quickly and easily, making it super convenient for everyday transactions. This speed is absolutely crucial for creating a seamless user experience and encouraging the use of Pi for various purposes, from microtransactions to larger purchases. PiNetwork's commitment to scalability and speed really positions it well for mass adoption. As the network continues to grow, its ability to handle a high volume of transactions quickly and efficiently will be key to its success in the competitive cryptocurrency market. Section 6. Navigating the challenges, competition, and criticism. The cryptocurrency world is competitive, with new projects constantly emerging. PiNetwork faces competition, scrutiny, and skepticism common for new technologies. To stand out, it must highlight its accessibility, community, and unique features. Open communication and transparency are key to building trust and credibility. By innovating and addressing concerns, PiNetwork can secure its place in the market. Section 7. The future is bright. PiNetwork's potential. PiNetwork is revolutionizing finance with accessibility, community, and blockchain innovation. Its mobile-first approach empowers the unbanked, fostering financial inclusion globally. With dApps and scalability, PiNetwork is poised to transform industries. The future of PiNetwork is bright, shaping a more inclusive financial world. Section 8. Embracing the vision, a decentralized future. At its core, PiNetwork represents a movement toward a more decentralized future. The traditional financial system, often controlled by centralized institutions, can be exclusive and frankly inaccessible to a lot of people. PiNetwork is challenging this status quo by empowering individuals to take control of their finances and providing access to financial tools, no matter where they are or what their background is. Decentralization is really about shifting power from centralized entities into the hands of the people. PiNetwork embodies this idea by distributing its currency through a mobile mining process. This allows anyone with a smartphone to participate in the network and earn Pi coins. It's an approach that promotes financial inclusion and empowers individuals to take control of their financial well-being. The vision of a decentralized future goes beyond just finance, though. PiNetwork's blockchain technology has the potential to transform a wide range of industries by enabling secure, transparent, and tamper-proof systems. From supply chain management to digital identity, the possibilities are vast. By embracing decentralization, PiNetwork is paving the way for a more equitable and accessible future, a future where individuals have greater control over their data, their finances, and their role in the digital world. Section 9. Join the revolution. Be a part of the PiNetwork. Cryptocurrency is no longer just a niche domain for tech enthusiasts and early adopters. It's quickly becoming a mainstream phenomenon. And PiNetwork is right at the forefront of this revolution. With its focus on accessibility, ease of use, and community building, PiNetwork offers a unique opportunity for individuals to be part of the future of finance. Joining the PiNetwork is, honestly, pretty simple. Just download the PiNetwork app on your smartphone, create an account, and start mining Pi coins. The process is designed to be user-friendly, even for those who are completely new to cryptocurrency. By participating in the network, not only do you get the chance to earn Pi coins, but you also become part of a vibrant and growing community. And really, the PiNetwork community is one of its greatest strengths. Millions of users from all over the world are actively engaged in the network, sharing knowledge, collaborating on projects and supporting one another. This sense of community is what makes PiNetwork stand out and contributes to its rapid growth and success. So don't miss out on the chance to be part of something truly revolutionary. Join the PiNetwork today and take your first step into the exciting world of cryptocurrency.